Police had also thought of wanting to do digitally something that is favorable to the citizens, to make e-services of some kind which is easier for the citizens to access. When you lose something, you don't have to come to the police station, you just go to the internet, type in what you lost, and we will give you a digitally signed loss certificate. Similarly, on the other two fronts, suppose you are trying to join a job and those people say, get us the character verification from police, for which all of us go all the time to police station. I remember before I joined service, I also went to the police station to get a character verification. This character verification we will verify, but we will issue to you digitally online, so that you don't have to come to the police station. Similarly, for your visa and other applications, wherever you require our verification, the good thing is you really don't have to come to us. We will give it to you on internet digitally.
पूर्वीच्या परस 35% कमी झाला. म्हणजे 35% कमी जावप ही इट इज अ ग्रेट अचिव्हमेंट. आणि क्राइम रेट कमी जाता असताना डिटेक्शन रेट जे पयलींचे केसेस पेंडिंग आसात किंवा नवे सुद्धा जे जातात तांचो रेट मात्र वाडला आणि डिटेक्शन रेट 15% वाडला. म्हाका दिसता these are the healthy signs of a police department.
The crime rate has come down over the years by 35%. Detection rate has gone up by 15%. I think these are good signs of a very professional force, and I congratulate all our dedicated officers and constabulary for this wonderful achievement. Development of this website is definitely one step, but maintaining it, updating it, acting upon the complaints, the data, you will receive enormous data through this website. And I see the social media, and I don't know, maybe we Goans are even more active over the social media. That is, I think, today we should resolve all our police force to be more citizen-centric, at the same time tough and vigilant, so that there is deterrence and the crime rate goes further down.